Today I'm going to show you how to reset your Wi-Fi config credentials on your Adosia IoT devices. Sometimes you might need to do this to get your device to reconnect. The easiest way to get your Adosia device all reset is to flash the latest Adosia binary using the Arduino IDE. I'll put a link in the description for how to do that. To get the device into config mode, we want to pull the analog pin, which is this far pin here, high to 3.3 volts, as well as both digital I/O pins to 3.3 volts. These two sensor pull-up pins are already pulled high by the onboard pull-up resistors. I don't know if you guys can see those, but this will get the device into config mode showing a purple light. And then we have 60 seconds to reset the config by pulling all four of these signals low and removing the high pin from the analog. I like to prepare the board, and the way I've done that is I've taken the analog signal and I've jumped it to 3.3 volts. I've got both pull-up channels disconnected. I've just got this ground here for future use when we ground the temp sensor low. Alternatively, we could use a jumper here, but I've just got this wire. And I've also got ground wires connected to each of the digital pull-ups, along with jumpers jumping each of the pull-ups high. So both of these are now high, as well as these two are high, and the analog is high, with high being 3.3 volts. I'm going to turn on the device, and you're going to see the light blink. Blue twice, green twice, blue twice, and then green twice again, and then followed by white. That means we're in a mode where we can reset the Wi-Fi settings. So in order to do that, simply just disconnect your analog signal and pull out both of your jumpers on your digital I/O. And now what we want to do is put one jumper on pull-up channel 1, which is this white connector. We want to go ahead and jump the other pull-up channel, sensor channel 2, to 0 as well. And then we're going to connect each of the digital I/Os to 0. We've got to do all this in about 60 seconds. And then we'll watch the LED, and that'll tell us that whether we've done this correct or not. Okay, there we go. Now we've got a purple light. I don't know if you guys can see that or not. Let me see. Purple means we are in config mode. Okay. So now the Wi-Fi settings have been reset, and we've got to reset this guy.